2007 Chevrolet Cobalt sedan. This vehicle features the following equipment: automatic, 4-sill, FWD-A airbag deactivation, emergency trunk release, rear bench seat, air conditioning, vanity mirrors, power steering, power brakes, power door locks, power windows, clock, trip odometer, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, cruise control, tinted glass, interval wipers, rear defroster, front bucket seats, cloth upholstery, auto headlamp on-off delay, deluxe wheel covers, child-proof locks, AM/FM stereo radio, rear spoiler, adjustable headrests, bucket seats, child safety locks, trip computer, compact disc player, front-wheel drive, console, daytime running lights, anti-theft device S, folding rear seats, auto express down window, remote trunk release, door pocket S, adjustable lumbar seat S.